I went with this hanging shoe shelf because I don't want to lose the floor space in my entry closet. When I come home and I have a mess to deal with, or I just got a bunch of boxes, I shove them in the floor in this closet all the time. So that is a key space that I don't want to lose. So I went with these because they won't take any floor space. They'll help with this shoe pile over here, and they'll be easily accessible for everyone in this closet. Let's open this up. Here's it out of the bag. Very simple metal brace. That's it. Let's hang it up. To hook it on, simply hang it. But I would say the hooks are actually a bit tighter, which I like. This isn't gonna move very much. It's pretty stuck where it's at. For my husband's shoes, I gotta put them like this to fit them in. I'm gonna try to fit in my boots as well. The boots were a little tighter, but they fit. I filled that up. And there you have it. Thanks to this hanging shoe stand, all shoes have a place. Either they're extras or they're the shoes in daily use. As for the shoes in daily use, I will soon be getting a shoe bench, so those will have a clear home too, that I can tell the kids to put them in. And all that's made possible thanks to the Whitmor Hanging Shoe Shelf.